So I have a Chevy 2022 LT Tahoe. The windshield washer pump wasn't working. I checked the fuse, I checked the relay. So the only thing left to do was check the pump. I got the old pump right here with the part number. I bought mine on Partzilla. When it came, it didn't come with another grommet, so I reused the original grommet that was in there. The grommet would go right here. So if you're pulling yours off and the grommet ain't here, you might want to check to make sure that it's still in the hole. Make sure it's checked, it's still in the hole under there. If it ain't, I mean, it probably fell when you was pulling it out. All right, so first I took the tire off, put it on the side, and then I had to get a hex bit to take all of these here off. And then I used my adjustable wrench for this. It was just one of those, and one of these I took this off with a flathead screwdriver. And all of this came from the wheel well cover right here. So I put that on the side. All right, so coming back under here, where is that pump at? Right here. So you got, let's see, sorry for all the moving. So you got the white hose and you got the black hose. And on the pump, you'll see you got a white side for the hose and you got a black side for the hose. So you just take it off the old pump and put it onto the new pump. Now the wire connector, the wire connector that goes onto this was a little tricky to take off. It's just two prongs, but it clips on right here. You can see a little groove there. So if you could get the wire connector lifted up over that groove, it'll come out much easier without breaking it. See the little lip? So you just gotta lift the wire connector over that groove and it'll slide right out. And then you put the new one in, you slide it back down into the hole that it came from, right there. Up top, there was a, where is it? This piece right here. I don't know what it's called. Let me see if I can zoom in. There we go. This piece right here, it looked like you can only use it one time. I couldn't get it out of the hole, so I clipped it with my wire cutters here. So I could get it out to lower the wiring harness. Since I clipped it, I can't reuse it, so I'm just going to use some zip ties. Well, one zip tie. Tie it back up, and then bolt everything back on. So the washer pump is good to go. I checked it before I filled it up. It took one full gallon of washer fluid to refill it. I tested it out, everything works good. So now I just put everything back on.